Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a long to-do list? Struggling to keep track of projects and deadlines? Trello might just be the solution you've been looking for. But how do you actually use it effectively? Let's dive in and discover the best ways to leverage Trello to boost your productivity and stay organized. Why Trello? Before we get into the specifics, let's understand why Trello is such a popular tool. At its core, Trello is a visual collaboration platform that helps you organize tasks and projects into boards, lists, and cards. It's incredibly versatile, making it suitable for individuals, teams, and businesses of all sizes. Setting up your Trello board. The first step is to create a new board. Give your board a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Once you've created your board, you'll see a series of lists. These lists can represent different stages of a project, such as to do, in progress, and done. You can customize the names of these lists to suit your workflow. Creating and organizing cards. Cards are the building blocks of your Trello board. Each card represents a specific task or project. To create a card, click the Add a Card button at the bottom of a list. You can add details, due dates, attachments, and even assign members to cards. This helps you keep track of progress and responsibilities. Utilizing labels and due dates. To further organize your cards, consider using labels and due dates. Labels can be color-coded and help you categorize tasks based on priority, type, or other criteria. Due dates can be added to cards to set deadlines and ensure timely completion. Collaborating with others. One of Trello's greatest strengths is its ability to facilitate collaboration. You can invite team members to your boards and assign tasks to them. This makes it easy to delegate work and track progress. Additionally, you can use comments and mentions to communicate and provide feedback. Using Power UPS to enhance Trello. To supercharge your Trello experience, explore the various Power UPS available. Power UPS are additional features that can be added to your boards to enhance functionality. Some popular Power UPS include Calendar, Voting, and Butler. Best practices for effective Trello usage. Keep your boards organized. Regularly review and reorganize your boards to ensure they remain clear and efficient. Use checklists. Break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps using checklists. Set due dates and deadlines. Establish realistic deadlines to stay on track and avoid procrastination. Utilize labels and tags. Use labels and tags to categorize and prioritize tasks effectively. Take advantage of Power UPS. Explore Power UPS to find features that can improve your workflow. Regularly review and update your boards. Make sure your boards reflect your current projects and priorities. Trello is a powerful tool that can help you stay organized, collaborate effectively, and increase your productivity. By following these tips and best practices, you can make the most of Trello and streamline your workflow. Are you ready to take your productivity to the next level? Start using Trello today and experience the benefits for yourself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.